Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can publish your MATLAB code to HTML code format. So basically what you'll need to do is go to Live Editor right here, and now just click on this drop down icon on the export button. So let's click it, and right here you'll see export to HTML. So click on export to HTML, and now you can rename it right here. So I will type tutorial HTML. Now click export it, and right here you'll see on the MATLAB drive the HTML file. So you can preview it if you right click it, and you can save to local files if you need to. But here it opens automatically the preview for you, and you will be able to see the preview. So if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.